All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. This is a 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. It is solid 925 sterling silver. Check that out. It's a beautiful grill set, guys. It is handmade for a perfect fit. Show you the back side. So it just snaps right on the teeth. Okay, and you can get this for the top. You could do a bottom. You could do a set. That's up to you. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.